Welcome to our Library Skills 101 tutorials. Through this video series, through 3 units, we will discuss why and how to assess items we find on the internet and through chats with AI language learning models, how to find items in Park's online library using both pirate search and specific databases, and why we cite items we use when researching and where to find our citation resources. In our first unit, we're going to focus on assessing information we find online, because while there are a lot of great resources on the free web, there's a lot of, trash too. We're going to learn to answer 3 important questions when assessing anything we find online. First, who's behind the information? Second, what is the evidence? And last, what do other sources say? To answer these questions, we're going to learn 2 strategies: lateral reading and click restraint. Both the strategies and questions were developed by the Digital Inquiry Group at Stanford University. In each unit, we'll frame our discussion in a common scenario. You're scrolling through your favorite social media app and you see an influencer say something off the wall. In this case, a wellness influencer you follow for fitness tips announces her mother, who's been diagnosed with cancer, has decided to forgo chemotherapy and radiation treatments and use holistic remedies, specifically baking soda. This seems really shocking to you since you've never heard of anyone doing that. You click into the comments section to see what other people are saying, and it seems like the comments are divided in agreeing wholeheartedly that things like baking soda and castor can cure cancer, and agreeing with you that the strategy is seriously dangerous. You decide to figure out who's correct.